Hi there. So in this video, I'll show you one of the ways to use XLOOKUP. VLOOKUP finds it difficult to look up values that are behind the lookup value. This has now been addressed by XLOOKUP, and to do that, just type equal to XLOOKUP. Then you select your lookup value, which in this case is Sorel, comma, then the lookup array, which is the name, comma, then the return array, we want it to return the ID, so we select the ID, and then XLOOKUP picks exact match, so we don't need to add a zero, so we just close the bracket and click enter. So notice here that the ID for Obi is NA016, which is what we have here. Thank you. Follow for more.